In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive and unarchive contacts in Mailchimp. Archiving is a great way to clean up your audience and lower costs without permanently deleting data. Archived contacts are removed from billing and won't receive campaigns or automations, but their history stays intact so you can bring them back later if needed. Start by signing in and heading to the Mailchimp home dashboard. From the main navigation, open Audience to see your contacts table. Decide which contacts you want to remove from your active list for now. Use the checkboxes next to each contact, or use the master checkbox at the top to select all contacts currently in view. This selection is what Mailchimp will archive. With your contacts selected, choose the Archive option. Mailchimp will prompt you to confirm. Type Archive in all caps exactly as shown, then click Archive to complete the action. After this, those contacts won't count toward your billable audience and won't receive messages. You can repeat this process anytime you need to pause communication to inactive, unsubscribed, or cleaned addresses. A quick tip: consider filtering by tags or segments first so you archive precisely the group you intend, and if you're making large changes, export a backup of your audience for safekeeping. To review or restore archived contacts, open the three dots menu in your audience view and select Archive Contacts. This takes you to a filtered list of everyone you've archived. Use the checkbox at the top to select the contacts you want to bring back. When you're ready, click Unarchive All. You'll see a confirmation box. Type Unarchive in all caps to confirm, then click Unarchive to finish. Those contacts will return to your active audience and can receive campaigns again, provided they're subscribed and compliant with your permissions. A few helpful notes as you work. Archiving does not delete contact data, and you can unarchive at any time. If a person fills out your sign-up form again, Mailchimp will automatically unarchive them and resubscribe them based on their consent. While archived, contacts won't appear in campaign sends, automations, or regular audience management actions, and you won't be able to edit their profiles until they're restored. Always respect consent and local regulations when reactivating contacts, and use tags or segments for organization when you don't need to remove someone from the active audience. And that's it. You've learned how to archive contacts to keep your audience lean, and how to unarchive them just as easily when they're ready to engage again.